this model is an older one. It's the Wildcat, the F4F, one of the Navy carrier planes, and it's by Monogram. It's a 1/48 scale model, and shows you the finished product here. Does not look like there's a lot of detail. Let's have a look inside. This one I bought online and actually has already been started. As you can see here, the two sides of the fuselage have been put together, along with what looks like the lower part of the wing. Got a tail wing, and at least that seems to be square, so that's good. Not a lot of detail there in the fuselage. Here are decals, really not much detail. A few decals that have yellowed a little bit. It's mostly just the glue, but the decals themselves are white. Here is our engine with the cowling and propeller, unfortunately already put together. Yeah, empty sprue. And mostly empty sprue. Here we have a carrier worker. Looks like he's getting ready to clean it or touch and go. Most of these details, or actually almost all these details, these rivet lines, panel lines, all raised. Unfortunately, as I said, this is an older Monogram kit. Looks like these wings are made to fold. Same for these other wing halves. These wing halves seem like they go on the side here, like that. Looks like this is part of our landing gear. Other part of the landing gear, and radio. And we have some clear plastic. Here is our canopy. That's fairly well molded. Here's our pilot. It has some detail there. We have our two fuel tanks. And we have wheels with not much detail there. And wheel well covers. So, last few parts here. Let's have a look at our instructions here. This is pretty much an older model. So as you can see here, they give you an exploded viewpoint of each part and where they go. So this has already been done. We're putting the lower wing and back of the cockpit together inside the fuselage, putting the fuselage together, then putting together these wing hinges so they can fold, then putting the stabilizer, the propeller, and engine on there. Then the wheels could be up or down, and putting those together. And then putting the wings on there, and fuel tanks, canopy, pilot, and looks like we have another mechanic. And the wings go backwards and forwards. And pretty obvious where the decals go because there's a few of them, but it shows you how to paint them and where to put the decals. So, all in all, very simple model. Some surface detail, but most of it is all raised.